Welcome to Nene Nails YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do fidget spinner nails. So we've got a little videographer. Bibi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. You got little ones at home? Yeah. So as you can see, kids never stop moving, including loving house. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be doing fidget spinner nails. So these are really fun. We're actually using a real live fidget spinner. We're going to cut it with some jewelry clippers, and I'm going to show you how to attach them into an acrylic nail. Okay, so first of all, just get some coloured glittered acrylic. I like to come in with a small 3D art brush. Now what you can do is I use a just something that you can use like your 3D flowers with or something like that. This particular brush I'm actually using from Brillbird. So just come in and just make whatever pattern you like. This is an encapsulated acrylic method where you can come in and put designs with your acrylic, and then I later put like a nice nude around it. Make sure that your lines are nice and crisp. You can come in and file that with the e-file if you wish. But at the end, then you can file it down with the e-file to remove all of the bulk, and it will leave these really nice, clean, sharp lines if you've kind of tailored it nicely and smoothed it with your brush. You can do this in any colour. Sometimes I like to do straight lines, which you'll see a bit further on the pinky, where I can just cut straight across, and then I like to just use the file to create a sharp edge before coming in with the different coloured acrylic. As you can see, I'm just filling in the gaps. It does look quite chunky at first, but you will use your e-file to file it down. Also encapsulate it in clear to protect your glitter and your acrylic. So as you can see here, this is where I'm filing down a lot of the bulk. You'll start to see the clean line appear and make it nice and thin, and your design should start to appear. Then I like to come through and just buff it with the hand file to start to smooth out and perfect your nail shape. You don't want to take it down too far because that's going to go into your coloured acrylic. Or do more videos in the future on how to work with coloured acrylic and acrylic nail art. You'll see a lot of nail techs and they put hashtag not polish. This is that kind of similar effect. You can do all sorts of amazing designs, but this is a bit of an intro on how to get you started. Alright, so do all your nails, wipe them down, and then come in and top coat. Now I'm also using some Swarovski crystals. These are the Crystal Pixie Genuine Swarovskis. You can get them in any colour. For this one I'm using a nice rose gold because for my fidget spinner I have a rose gold colour as well. My client really fell in love with a nice turquoisey or blue colours, so we incorporated them into the top coat, and this is where you really start to see your glitter and a little bit of rose gold, really so it's not too much. Okay, so this is the rose gold fidget spinner that I'm using. You can get these little pieces of wire from a jewellery shop and also your clip cutters as well. I like to clip it quite short because we don't want the fidget spinner to stand out of the nail too long, because remember that your client will be wearing this for quite a while, so we don't want it to catch on too much. Just put your fidget spinner through the hole, and then I like to seal the end of it so it's not going to keep coming out of the loop. Wait for your acrylic bead to dry, and then just get like a little under nail cleaner to just start to shape and taper in a lot of the bulk on the edge. If you're not experienced in acrylics or using e-file bits, please make sure that you are doing a course before you attempt this, because you can hurt yourself, and also obviously if you're working with clients you really want to be qualified. Okay, then I come in and put a clear bead of acrylic onto the nail, just a really dry bead, and then I insert the wire frame of the fidget spinner into the clear bead. Hold it there with your finger as you need it to dry, and just start putting the acrylic and building it around on the base of the acrylic fidget spinner, and just hold it while it's setting. You want to be able to kind of put it in a cone shape so it's not going to fan out and look fat. You also need it to dry before you're letting the fidget spinner kind of come down, as what's going to happen is your fidget spinner is going to dry and not be able to spin. So then put a top coat around the clear acrylic so it's all nice and shiny. So give it a little test after with your finger, spin it, and if it works then you are good to go. Then go in and apply your crystals or details as you would after your top coat. So these are actual wearable nail art. Yes, these are practical. it really depends on the client who is willing to wear these, but yes, these do last, and my client still has the fidget spinners on. They can last a good month if you need to, and if they're applied correctly. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I had a lot of fun with it. I've also made a fidget spinner from acrylic. Can you just hold that still? Thank you. So, as you can see, kids never stop moving. So why don't you put some fidget spinners on your nails so at least you've got something for them to be distracted at.